Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And welcome to the first day of this class. So before we move on, I'll be liking to show you the Pixellab service. So the Pixellab is an app that we use to design, to design. So you can design logo, you can design flyer, you can design anything at all. Currently design, you can design it well. But without wasting much time, I will show you the kind of design I've done with this Pixellab. So let's go. So let's assume this is my Pixellab. These are the design I've made with Pixellab. So let's assume this one image. So this is not the image I made with Pixellab. So like this image, this design. So can you see everything? This design or this design? Can you see? So can you see this one? It was made with the app. This one was made with the app. This one too was made with the app. This one was made with the app. This one was made with the app too. This one was made with the app. Actually, this one too. So you can see all this was made with the app, including this one was made with the app. So can you see it? Including this one was made with the app. So we can have to go forward. So you can see even including this one was made with the app. So we can actually move forward to show you including this one was made with the app. So can you see even included this one was made with the app. So let's go forward and let's see what we can do. This one was made with the app. This one was made with the app. So let me show you the service of the app. So let me show you the service of the app. So even even this was made with the app. So can you see it? It was made with the app. So let's go forward and see what this Pixel app for us. So the first thing I have to do now is to click on my Pixel app. So after it showed me Pixellab, so this is the service. So I'll be telling you how you can use the service. So let's assume I want to bring out an image. Just click on your plus button here. Can you see the plus button at the left hand side? So you click on it. So after you click on it, you will see text. So let's assume this is text and just double tap it. It will bring out so you can actually write your own text. So let me actually write enter. Good. So can you see it? I write enter. So now this one you cannot delete it. So can you see the delete button here? Good. So you delete it from there. You delete it. So can you see it now? So this enter now, you can actually drag it. Like you can drag it here. You can drag it. So you can increase it here. And also if you want to increase it, just click on this A at the down side. So you see the A there. So you click on it. You will see size. Size. So you can increase it through size and you can decrease it. So can you see it? Now let's assume you can okay. So this is the color. You can change the color here. So can you see it? Can you see it? So that is the color. So texture. Let's assume you want to texture it. So just click on the texture. You will see what I want to say. So let's click on. Let me actually write good texture. So let's assume you are designing 3D logo. So I'm sorry, 3D text. So that is when you can use this texture. If we can actually use it for ordinary text, but it will be very easy. So can you see it now? So can you see the texture that can you see that it is beautiful? So good. So another one is opacity. Opacity is to reduce it and increase it. Can you see it? Reduce it and increase it. Another one is rotate. So can you see it? Good. So another one is mask tool. The mask tool is for us to cut it. By the time you go on, you will know how to use the mask tool. Another one is font. So this font is where you can choose your font. So this my font is the font I have downloaded into the Pixel app, and this is the Pixel app for so you can choose anyone. So you see that it will change. Just check it, it will change. So can you see that it has changed? Good. So another one is curve. If you want to curve it, so can you see it? Good. So another one is background. So if you want to give it background, maybe yellow background. So can you see it? But I don't usually use this kind of thing. So another one is align. So let's assume you want to use. Let's assume it is actually two. Okay. Assume it is something like this. Good. So in design, there's what we call right alignment and left alignment. So as it is now, it is in left alignment. So let's actually how to give it to into middle. So just click the middle one. So can you see it has changed it to middle? Then if you want to use right alignment, you click on the right one. So can you see? Good. So another one is spacing. Spacing. So let me delete one. Okay, good. Wait for us. Let us do this one first. You can like spacing. So when you click on the like spacing, you can give it spacing from the. So can you see it right now? Good. Then if you want to give it this spacing, you have to delete one first before we can actually. Good. So let's go. So we want to use ordinary space now. Is for this. So can you see it now? Good. So another one is stroke. If you want to give it a stroke, maybe another at the edge. So let me change the stroke to white. So you see what I'm talking about. So can you see it? So that is stroke. Good. So another one is shadow. You can give it shadow, the black shadow. Mostly shadow is used when you are using 3D logo. Sorry, 3D text. Inner shadows too. Emboss. This one is what they call it. I don't normally use this one, but it can be used to design when you're designing logo too. Perspective. You can do something like this, like this, like this, just when you're marking up something. And then, so can you see it? So can you see how it goes? So another one is 3D text, and another one is rotate. So you can rotate it. Good. So can you see it? Another one is 3D text, like I told you then. So you can actually do your 3D text. And another one is 3D shadow. So can you see it? 3D shadow. Good. Yeah, and that one is reflection. So it will reflect. So can you see it? Good. So let's go. So good. So let's assume you want to bring out an image. Click on the plus button again. You can see from gallery. You click from gallery, then you can actually bring out an image. So let's assume this is an image. Good. So you click on your plus button again if you want to draw something. So can you see it? You can draw on it. Good. So let's continue. So you can see this one now. Actually, after the plus, you will see this one. Something like this. So this one is used to save an image. To save an image, save as a project, you save as a project, then you save as an email. Then I will tell you how to save. So if you want to save as PNG and save as Ultra. That's how I save my image. And if you want to share it, you've done designing it, you share, save it and you share it. This one is code. So can you see the code mark? So there's a little code here. Then after that, you will see this three dots. Use image from gallery. That means if you don't know the size of image you want to use, but you have the exact size, like someone sent you to use a size for a design, like the envelope you see. So let's assume I want to design that kind of size and I don't know the size to give it. So I'll just quickly go to my image. So let's assume Pixellab. Then I will click on the image. So let me look for, okay, this is the, so can you see it? So can you see it now? So it has turned to the size I want to use. So I can actually give it color now. Then the that one will go. So that is it. So another one is you can actually see this one. This look alike button is used to copy. If you can actually see this one is copy. To copy it, this one is to move it to the to copy. Okay, to increase it, to edit. So you actually see the work of this one later on. So let's continue. Then this one is to move it to the middle. So can you see it? To move it. Then you see it again. This one is actually to rotate it to angle. Good. So can you see it now? So everything is there. So can you see it now? Good. So the first one is to move an object to the back. This one to move an object to the back. Then the second one is to move an object to the front. So let's assume I want to click the front now. So can you see that's gone to the back? So let's assume now this one is delete button. After you see delete something, so you can actually see delete. So you delete it. Then this one is to redo. There's no undo again. No, after you redo it, there's no undo. So be careful when you're doing your work. Then this one is to zoom. It's to zoom it. So when you click on it, you click on it like this. You click on it. Then you use your two finger. There's a zooming picture. Use your two finger to zoom it. So after you zoom it finish, then you click on this. Can you see it? So if you click on that where the 500 is, it will just go back to 100. So can you see it now? Good. Then the one that followed it is grid. So can you see the grid? Maybe you are designing logo. Grid is used when you are designing logo or you want to arrange it very well because of it. There's what we call what they call it, alignment. So if you want to align something very well, so that it won't go off align. So you use your this. Then this one is actually layer. So this one is actually layer. So there's layer. So can you see it where you can actually do a lot of things here? So good. So let's go down to the downside. Now the downside is you will see color. So you can change the color of the background. So can you see it? Change the color of the background. So that is what the downside color is meant for. Then you see transparent. Let's assume you want to save something as PNG. You use it. You don't want it to have background. So you click on transparent. And then the image size. Let's assume you know the size of the image you want to use. So you just click on 1280. 1280. That is the console size we use to design flyer. So can you see it? Now you click on this back, good. So the 1280, that's 1280. Then you crop it. If you can actually crop it, this option, there's this option when you put an image from here. Use from image, good. Then after this one, you click on image. Let us assume you want to bring image. Okay, let's assume you want to use this. So this one is not compulsory now. Can you see it? It's not compulsory. Just leave it like this. We are, I don't used to use this one though. So from gallery, that thing that I showed you the other time, if you want to bring an image from gallery, so you can actually click on this if you don't want to click on the plus button. Then you use from camera. Everybody know this. So let's go back to this three plus button. Now use image from camera. Full screen. Can you see the full screen now? So let's go back. Tutorial. I don't know you want to use tutorial again. So the image size, the same thing. So can you see it? So actually everything is there. So now remove add. There's nothing like add. Open PLP file. So this PLP file is when you have a PLP file. You've downloaded PLP file. So let us also bring in a PLP file. I'll click on it and I'll click on this. I'll click on PLP. So it will direct me to my app. To my app. So let us on the PLP file. It says, so can you see where are we here? Panther PLP file. So open and undo. Yes. So it will show me the PHP file now. So let's wait for it. Open and do. Open and add. Good. So you can see the PHP file now. So um you can actually do what? You can actually edit the PHP file. So let's go again. So after one, you can see recover onto save. This recover onto save is there's something we call stretch. The image will be stretched sometime. So when you save your work and you don't know and they ask you to edit something, but you should design as everything that disorganized, just go to your recover auto save. So you trace it from where you stopped. So can you see it now? Good. So I think that is everything about this. I see this one. Maybe you want to start from afresh. You click on that where the red this thing is. Then the A is when you test this one sticker. So let's assume the stickers now. Sticker is when you want to bring in what they call it. All this. There's actually test light effect here too. So can you see it now? Good. So let's assume you want to good. So you want to draw. You can see it. You want to bring shape. Good. You want to form. So everything is there too. So everything is here. Bezier too. Arrow. So and this one too. So everything is actually okay. So you can actually play around it and you discover. So if you want to bring out shape too from here, just click plus button. So you actually bring your shape here. Good. So that's everything about the introduction to Pixel Lab. Thank you for watching until now. Thank you.